Japanese officials said that the government might issue the decision next week on how to dispose the wastewater from the crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. Ria Saito reports.
On Wednesday, the Japanese government disclosed that it will issue the decision on how and where to dispose the wastewater that accumulated in the ill-fated Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant next week. As of now, the officials are seen to likely decide to discharge the wastewater to the sea. Last year, experts suggested to dilute the water with tritium and other radioactive substances to a safe level and release it to the sea or air. However, this recommendation was met with concerns among local residents. Meanwhile, on the same day, Prime Minister Suga Yoshihide met Kishi Hiroshi, the head of the National Federation of Fisheries Cooperative Associations, and told him that the administration will set a policy based on expert proposals. Following the meeting, Kishi told reporters that the group is still against the proposal to release the wastewater to the sea. However, Japan is now likely preparing to announce the marine release next week, saying that experts maintain that this option is more practical and that they will provide more information on the safety of the disposal process. 以上、日本からサイトリアニュースをお伝えしました。SMNI ニュース、ジャパン。